everyone, my name is Jesslina Olivares and I'm the Recreation Supervisor here at the Apex Center with the City of McKinney. We've been working really hard to get our facility ready for our June 1st opening. We've been working on cleaning, training our staff, and making sure that all of our equipment is ready for social distancing and safe use. You all will notice that some things are different when you enter our facility. The first thing that you will notice is our check-in process. You will be required to go to the front desk and check in with the front desk attendant. They will scan your member card or look up your membership, and then you will let them know what part of the facility that you are going to be visiting. If that area is full, you will be prompted to give your number to receive a text message when that area has lowered in capacity. Each member will have a maximum of 1 hour to work out in each area. When using our workout equipment, please be sure to clean the equipment before and after each use. After you have finished using the equipment, please notify an Apex Center staff member so that we can shut down the equipment for 5 minutes to be cleaned. Another change that you will see in our facility is our staff will be cleaning high volume touch points every 30 minutes. For the safety of our members and our staff, all staff will be wearing face masks and gloves. The weight area will be shut down every 30 minutes for cleaning. Employees will wipe down all of the barbells and dumbbells. Please keep in mind that as this area is shut down, once equipment is open and ready for use, staff will notify you that it can be used again. Our group exercise and cycle studio classes will be open for a maximum of 9 people at a time. Everyone who would like to participate in these classes will need to download and register through the Spivvy app. Our indoor track can hold a maximum of 20 people for walking and running while social distancing. During phase 1 of reopening, pools, showers, locker rooms, water fountains, and towel service will all be unavailable. In our basketball gym, we will allow a maximum of 12 people. This will be 2 people per basketball hoop. At this time, we will only be allowing free shooting. There will be no pickup games or free play. In our lobby area, we have space for our senior population, adults 60 and up, as well as our personal training area. On behalf of the Apex Center staff and myself, we are so excited to have you all back in our building. For more information, please visit our website.